Hi friends, this video shows how to reset Tapo camera. So in this video I am going to reset this Tapo camera. So first we need to locate reset button. So in this camera we can find reset button near this memory card slot. See, here we can see the reset button near to this memory card slot. We can press and hold this button for 5 seconds. So that way we can reset this camera. Okay, so I am going to reset it. Let me press and hold that button for 5 seconds.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Okay, reset completed. Now it's rebooting this camera. So please wait. So after reboot, this camera will rotate automatically. So this way we can easily reset this Tapo camera. So just press and hold that reset button for 5 seconds. See, now it's rotating. Okay, done. So now here you can see this light is blinking. That means now this camera is in pairing mode. So we can add this camera to the Tapo app. So this way we can easily reset the Tapo camera. So please try this.